This has been the crowd of the tour so far, I think. It's just another level. Thank you for bringing that energy, and I can't wait to come back. It's been incredible. But we've only got one more song for you guys. Thank you so much again. This one's called Heat Wave. Heat waves, I'm swimming in the mirror. Road shimmer, wriggle in the vision. Heat waves, I'm swimming in up. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been taking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been taking me out. I put something on TV, so I never think about you and me. Today I see our affections clearly in Hollywood and on the screen. You just need a better life from this. You need something I can never give. Take water all across the road. We've gone now the night is cold. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves and taking me out. Can't make you happier now. You can't fight and you can't breathe. You said something so loving, but now I gotta let you go. Be better off with someone new. I don't wanna be alone. You know it hurts me too. You look so broken when you cry. One more and then I say goodbye. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been taking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been taking me out. Can't make you happier now. Yeah! You gonna sing this last one with me? You ready? I just wonder what you're dreaming of. Couldn't sleep and smile so comfortable. I just wish that I could give you that look that's perfectly upset. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June.